the birthday boy? You're not the birthday boy, Matilda. Oh gosh. Is it your birthday? Yeah. Is it your birthday? No, it's not, but I still love you. If you couldn't tell, it is Toby's second birthday today. He is now 2 years old, and I'm going to take him to the beach today, even though the weather is kind of shit. You want to go to the beach? Yeah. Oh, you're just knocking my camera out of my face. Toby loves going to the beach. We haven't been in quite a while, so I thought I would take him for his birthday. I'm considering taking Matilda with us, but she's never been to the beach before. We need to give you your birthday presents, boy. Do you want a birthday present? You want a birthday present? Well, you don't have any birthday presents, but you do have a treat, Matilda. Toby got this from my boyfriend Will that he absolutely loves. The tentacles will have squeakers in them, so he's been just having a good time ripping them out. What is this? What have I got for you? You're gonna open it like you did last year? Here he goes. Come on. Come on. Good boy. What is it? What is that, Toby? What is that, Toby? Is it your Halloween costume for this year? This is a lobster dog costume, which he is probably gonna hate. He's already trying to rip it up. It's not a toy, sorry Toby. He doesn't really like wearing costumes, but I still wanted to get him a costume for Halloween. And it matches my slippers. I have lobster slippers. We can be twins now. Okay, he's just trying to rip the eyes off. No, 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 no. It's not a toy. It's not a toy. There we go. Are you a lobster? Oh, you don't like that hood. Toby, you a lobster?
Why are we still here?
Yes, you're a lobster too, aren't you, you lobster? This is what he does when he wears clothes. He just freezes. Let's see if it will fit Matilda. Okay. No, okay, yeah, she's gonna run away from me. Let's open this one. What is this? Don't mind the fact that all this wrapping paper is Christmas themed. Look! What's that? Okay, let me unwrap it first. It's a toy. It's got little fishies in it. Do you like it? Look. You want one, Matilda? Look. You want a fishy? You want a fishy? No, Matilda doesn't really care about toys. Sometimes she'll play tug of war with Toby, but most of the time she doesn't care. She only cares about food, don't you? He's like gonna rip this up already. Okay, you have one more present though. Do you want to unwrap this one? What is this? What is this? Is this a tie? Look how nice this tie is, Toby. He doesn't care. Matilda's more interested. Well, I'll give it to Matilda if you don't like it. It's the birthday boy. Oh my god. You look so cute. Do you like it? Matilda, show us your tie. Show us your tie. Matilda. Oh, you're wearing a tie. I think I'm gonna try and take Matilda with me. I don't know how this is gonna go because she hasn't been to the beach ever. And she hasn't been in a car for like years, but I think she would really like it. Do you want to go to the beach with us, Matilda? Yeah. All right, we have the dogs in the back seat. They have little chew treats, so hopefully that should keep them quiet for a bit. Matilda seems to be doing pretty well. She's just sitting. Her harness is strapped into the seatbelt, so she doesn't try and run around. This is quite a long drive to the beach, so hopefully it will all be good. Yeah, Toby's just chewing his treat. He doesn't have a care in the world. Also, it's getting really sunny, so that's good. We made it! Matilda! Matilda? What are you doing? Toby, you wanna go to the beach? You wanna go to the beach? We're at the beach. Both the dogs did really well. Let's take off my glasses. Matilda did super well. I'm pretty sure she just like slept through the whole trip because she was lying down last time I looked at her. And she didn't cry or anything. Neither did Toby, but Toby's always pretty good. All right, let's get you guys out. Alright, I think these guys really enjoyed their trip. They were playing around in the water and everything, which is good. I did get bowled over by a dog, if you were wondering what that was. And Toby was freaking out because the dog was chasing him. Yeah, Toby doesn't really do well with other dogs, especially ones that are like really excited and just want to like chase him. It really scares him, so I picked him up for a while after that. She's being really silly right now. I think it's because she is really wet and covered in sand, and so am I, and so is my camera, and so is everything I have. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? What are you doing? She isn't even tied to the seatbelt yet. Oh, do you see people? Do you see people at the window? Oh, okay, no, you don't need to come here. I think we're gonna go to a pet store on the way home because there's one close to here. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. No. Come on, this way. You both look like you're really tired. You guys look tired now? As soon as we got home, they've just been sleeping in here for a long time. Oh, you're sleeping on one of your fishies. Look.